Suppose you're having border in your Word document already and you want to get rid of that, like you want to remove the borders. How will you do that? So it is very easy, and we are making it more generic, so it doesn't really depend on the version which you're using or the operating system which you're using. First of all, you have to go to Format menu and then click on Borders and Shading, and then it will be showing you this kind of dialog. What you can do is you can just go to Page Border and you can just click on None and click on OK, and it will be gone. So it just takes few seconds to get rid of the border in your Word document. So you just have to go to Format and Border and Shading. And just in case you were having other kinds of borders, let's say a paragraph border, so you can go to this first tab and you can select None. You can go to Page Border and select None, and then click on OK. All sort of borders will be removed from the page or from the paragraph. So this is how you remove borders from your Word document.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.